teachers and dear friends, I am Sharan Srinivas going to briefly explain about the satellites and space stations. Satellites means an object orbiting a larger astronomical body. They are natural and artificial. Natural satellites. Moon orbiting the Earth. Artificial satellites. Man-made spaceflight orbiting the Earth, Mercury, Venus, etc. This slide is representative image of some countries like USA, India, Russia and China satellite. On October 4th, 1957, Soviet Union launched world's first satellite, Sputnik 1. Till now, more than 40 countries have launched about 8,900 satellites. Types of satellites. Astronomical satellites are used for observing distant planets and galaxies. Biosatellites are used for scientific experimentation. Communication satellites are used for telecommunication. Earth observation satellites and navigational satellites are used for global positioning system. Killer satellites are used to destroy enemies' warhead. Weather satellites used to monitor weather and climate. Space stations are artificial orbital structures that are designed for human beings to live in outer space. In 1998, Soviet Union developed and launched world's first space station. The space station has the volume of 5 bedroom houses on 2 huge jetliners. Thank you dear teachers and friends for having a view of this slide.
Hello everyone, I am Satyanarayanan from class 5A. In this video, we are going to learn more about satellites and space station. First, we are going to learn for what satellites and space stations are used and how many are they floating in the space. Showing picture is belong to a satellite. Satellites are used for imaging, communication, navigation and human habitation. While there are about 2,000 active satellites orbiting Earth at the moment, there are also 3,000 dead ones littering space. What's more, there are around 34,000 pieces of space junk bigger than 10 centimeters in size and millions of smaller pieces that could nonetheless prove disaster if they hit something else. Now let's start learning about a space station. Showing picture is belong to a space station. The International Space Station is the largest spacecraft in orbit around the Earth. It serves as a home where crews of astronauts and cosmonauts live. The space station is also a unique science laboratory. Next, as of 2021, there is one fully operational and permanently inhabited space station in low Earth orbit. The International Space Station ISS, which is used to study the effects of spaceflight on the human body as well as to provide a location to conduct a greater number and longer length of scientific studies. Thank you for watching this video. I think you would have learned more about satellites and space station. Once again, thank you for watching this video, everyone. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hello everyone. I am Satyanarayanan from class 5A. I have already put in a video that what will happen if there was no satellites in the space and the good things and the bad things in satellites. But in this video, we are going to see a different thing, that what will happen if every space stations disappeared. The first thing will happen is the astronauts researching from space station cannot continue their work and they will be homeless at the space, and the wish of scientists is to research from space station cannot do it. And if the space stations disappeared, the people wish to go inside the space station and enjoy at the space cannot do it. And if the space stations disappear, the people inside the space stations also will disappear, and the relatives of them will be so sad. And the space stations in half work after it becomes a complete space stations. There will be so much demands for space stations. Thank you friends for watching this video. I think you would have know what will happen the space stations disappeared about it more. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye.
I'm Gracia Tisha of Class 5A. Our project title is Satellites and Space Stations. I am modeled a space station and a navigational satellite. The model shows their orientation in space. Traveling to the Earth's surface, the satellites and space stations transmit radio signals from medium Earth orbit. They are used to control computers, networks, power grid, air traffic, etc. The mission of space station is to enable long operations of space. They have been launched for scientific purposes, but military launches have also occurred. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Satyanarayanan from class 5A. Today we are going to see how to do traffic signal satellite model. I have did a traffic signal satellite model with these things. First we are going to see the ingredients. The ingredients we need is a cardboard piece and cotton pieces and scissors and tape and gum bottle and the sketch pens. First, main thing we need is a black chart. The black chart helps us to look like the space. Then we have to take a white paper and we have to fold it and we have to draw a big star on it and we have to take a 10 or 15 stars on it and we have to stick it here like these stars. I think you can see clearly. I think you can see here. And you have to take 25 or 30 small stars like these small stars here. Yeah. Then you have to take a silver color crayon and you have to color here a thick grey color and here a light grey color. And you have to draw the light blue here and you have to draw the dark green color here as a land and blue color as the water. And after that, we are going to see how to do the satellite. First thing we need are 12 rounds that should be not below 8. We have to take only even numbers of circle. I have taken 12 circles of it. And we have to take 6 circles and you have to stick the back side small sticks here. I think you can see it well in the camera. This first you have to stick here and top of that here and you have to stick the another 6 circles on it. It should look like the satellite. And after that, here a 7 centimeter and here a 12 centimeter of pad. We have to stick it at this pad of it. I think you can view it well. Then we have to color it at the blue color to show like a solar panel and we have to keep here. Then after that we are going to see how to do this traffic signal model. First, you have to take a 5 centimeter of length and a 7 or 12 centimeter of height. You can take also between 7 and 12, and we stand and stick. It would be your wish, your centimeter wish, and you have to, in the front appearance, you have to color fully black, and here you have to color red, here you have to color yellow, here you have to color green. Now we understood that traffic signal works on satellite. Thank you friends for watching this video. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.
I am Melvin. I am going to tell about a space shuttle. The space shuttle has three main parts: the orbiter, the destination, the solid booster. The space shuttle launches like rocket. The space shuttle lands like a helicopter. Carry people and cargo into a space. The space shuttle goes like orbit around the Earth. Thank you.
Hamilton. I am going to tell upon satellite. Satellite is an object in space that circle around a big object. There are two types of satellite: natural satellite, artificial satellite. Major uses for satellite: communication, remote sensing. The moon is natural satellite of Earth. Thank you.
Hello everybody, I am Mahita. I am going to tell about Sputnik 1. Sputnik 1 was the first artificial Earth satellite. It was launched on 4th October 1957. It was launched by USSR. It was launched as part of Soviet space program. It was about 58 cm in diameter and 83 kg in weight. Thank you.
Navigational satellites. Navigational satellites are used for navigation by both military and civilians. They orbit the Earth every 12 hours, sending a signal from each individual satellite, moving in different directions to the user on the ground. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Neelesh of class 5A from BVM Global School. I'm going to draw a doodle art about space. So what is doodle art? Doodle art is a simple and unfocused drawing. Doodle art are random marks on paper. It helps us to relax, think creative, improve memory and to achieve better health. Let us get into the drawing. Can you guess which planet has rings around it? Yes, it is Saturn. Next is a rocky world that revolves around the sun. Yes, it is an asteroid. Next is Earth. Can you guess what is the full form of UFO? Yes, it is an unidentified flying object. Next, we are going to draw a satellite. Next, we are going to draw an astronaut. Astronaut is the person who travels beyond the Earth's atmosphere. The astronaut suit provides oxygen, communication, and everything that a human needs to survive. Next, we are going to draw a space shuttle. A space shuttle carries astronauts and cargoes to and from Earth orbit. I am going to draw a few more asteroids, planets, and abstracts. It's time for coloring. Thank you.
What's your name? My name is Rehan. Condition. Present. Tidings.
This is an astronomical story. The journey is tedious but extremely exciting and interesting. Join as we take you to the infinite space, introducing the members of our mission. Mission Hawking, satellite launching in memory of the great scientist Stephen Hawking. We are all set to go. Let's start the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off.
What are the things you observe?
The magnificent Earth and its surface, a floating sphere of water formed by microgravity.
I see the celestial bodies in the galaxy.
After 15 minutes,
We are about to fix the navigation and the spy satellite.
It was very tedious fixing the satellite on the surface of the Earth. Each weighs more than 5 tons.
each has a huge parabolic antenna which unfolds to a diameter of more than 150 meters in space. They will go into an equatorial plane of Earth at a distance of about 36,000 kilometers, which is 22,000 miles.
At this height, an area known as a geosynchronous orbit will mingle with commercial telecommunications satellites. Spy satellites skirt the dark web for terrorist activity.
Our transporter has received signal from the satellite. You have launched. The satellite have received signal from Earth and retransmitted those signals.
Dear viewers, hope our journey to space on mission Hawking has ignited a spark about satellite and space station. Hope you enjoyed the mission. Space Crew signing off. Thank you.